Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Chrome not responding. So if your Google Chrome is not responding or has frozen, there are several steps that you can take to fix the issue. And through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide to help you resolve the problem. So the first one, what you need to do is just wait for Chrome to respond because sometimes Chrome might temporarily freeze due to high memory usage or processing. So you can just give it a minute to see if it resolves on its own. But if it remains unresponsive for an extended period, you can proceed with the following steps. So the second one, you can just close Chrome using the Task Manager because if Chrome becomes unresponsive, you can just force it to close via Task Manager. You can just right click on the taskbar and go to the Task Manager. Under the processes in here, find Chrome, right click on it and click on End Task. You can also just restart your computer because sometimes it can fix issues with Chrome not responding as it resets the system's resources. And because a cache file or cookies that is corrupted can also cause Chrome to become unresponsive, you can also just clear the cache and cookies on your Chrome by going to this three dots icon and find settings, privacy and security, and click on delete browsing data and delete data in here. You can also just remove extension that you no longer use. You can because sometimes it can cause to a Chrome to become unresponsive. You can just try disabling or removing extension that could be problematic. So you can go to extension in here, tap on manage extension and remove the one that is causing Chrome to freeze. And next, you can also update your Chrome because an outdated version will cause performance issue. And you can also check for malware or unwanted software because it can interfere with Chrome's performance, causing it to stop responding. So if your Chrome settings are causing issues, you can also try to just reset Chrome to its default settings by going to the settings in here and scroll down and you'll find the reset settings option. Or you can also just create a new Chrome profile because if your current Chrome profile is corrupted, creating a new one will be helpful for you. So if the previous steps didn't work, you can just try to reinstall the Chrome from your device. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.